Alright, so in this video we're going to put this machine together. This one is the CNC Pro. Now this one, the nice thing, the whole package, not only you have the motor for the CNC, but also includes the laser, includes the C liners or the stoppers, also the control, or we call it the offline control. So we have the glasses, and even to adjust the tip, what they call it, the C test here. So this package includes everything. Even to make everything look real nice. But you wonder, how we can put this together. So let's check this right now. How are you doing, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT. In this video, what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna put the machine together so you can see what it takes. Let's do that right now. Alright, so as you see, we finally put the whole together. It takes about maybe an hour hour and a half, I will say even 2 hours by the time you read the instruction and understand how the whole thing works. Now, the nice thing I said in the beginning, the nice thing on this package, this one includes everything. There's a lot of package with a lot of, when you search, there's a lot of in CNC, the 3018 Pro. So you got some that only comes with the CNC, doesn't come with the laser, doesn't come with the line stoppers, or doesn't come with this little Pro or the offline controller. So in this case, this one has everything. That's a nice thing. You get everything in one package. You really have the thing here for emergency stop. Real nice to put this together. The instructions are not perfect instructions to put that together, but I figured out you read a little bit and you can put that together with no problem. Make sure when you read that the nuts always goes on the side, right? Sometimes you think it goes inside. So always what I recommend, just look the next page when you build and tend to look what is coming out next, so you can figure it out. Here on the motor side, and make sure you look that it has the red little bit like a little ink on it, and that's your hot wire. Now what we can do with this, we can engrave into leather, we can engrave into aluminum, copper, a soft material, with and much more. Now a few things here, and let me show you what I have there. So I was engraving a little bit here, not much into it, but here I have what they said iFoam. I know it's a little hard to see that, because I'm actually testing. I did this video, you know how to put that together with this and with the laser, and this we did with the laser. All right, so that's pretty cool. Now let me give you a few tips. When you're going to use the machine, make sure the area is ventilated, because you're going to be burning wood. Okay, so it requires to open windows. If you're going to use CNC machine in decibels, it's about 90 decibels when you're going to be cutting or engraving something, so it's a little noise in that case. So be aware for those two things. So if you're going to be using, make sure there's a work ventilator, or if you have a workshop, that becomes perfect. Okay, and a pretty cool machine. I think one of the benefits in this case is the whole entire package. You get everything here, the whole thing. And the software wise is an open source software. It's a free software, pretty easy to use. Get all the software you can bring into it. And because it's a well-known machine, if you search on it, there's a lot of software that will allow you to control the 3018 Pro, because this is a do-it-yourself machine. So if you want to begin and understand how the laser works, and if you try to understand how the principles on the CNC machine, well, maybe that's a way to start it this way, right? And then you can grow it and get a bigger machine if you want. All right, so that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.